Hello everyone, welcome to Xun Kung Fu System. This is Master Zhu, and today I'm going to explain the other basic movements of Chinese Kung Fu in SKF system. Suppose our opponent, our enemy, attacks us with his right arm like this. We block first, and then we continue to attacking. When we attacking, we hit his knee. They control his neck and do the following movement and so on continuously. Okay, this is what I said for the movement in our video this time. If you like us, please subscribe us, and we will upload more